In US orthodontic labs, skilled technicians are becoming increasingly difficult to find. The cost is getting higher and higher, however. The requirements for delivery speed and accuracy are getting higher and higher. If you are the head, partner, or senior technician of an orthodontic laboratory, you must be thinking about the question: is robotic bending technology truly ready for practical application?
Like Ortho, we will host a small, intensive, fully hands-on training at the Inman orthodontic lab in United States. Inman lab was one of the first labs in the US to adopt the Ortho automatic wire bending machine. The Tippett lab is also using it reliably in daily production.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, it was amazing. That would be just so awesome, just because it can measure it so much more accurate than we can.
This is not a demo show. It's a truly hands-on training with real users, real equipment, and the real production parameters. Hi, I'm Dr. Neil, co-founder of Ortho. Thank you for your interest in our 2-day hands-on training at the Inman Ortho Lab. In these 2 days, you will not only learn the theory, you will actually do the work yourself. First, we will explain the internal working logic of the machine. You will understand how the machine bends the wire step by step. Then we will show how accuracy is controlled by parameters, and you will learn one key truth: the same wire can be produced totally different results if your settings are different. Next, we focus on the wire itself. We will compare the spring back differences between JBC and the dentin wire. We will teach the limiter settings for small angle bend, and most importantly, we will train you to produce stable, highly consistent finished wires again and again. Then we move into digital design. You will design common appliances in 3D, including atom class, labial bow, wrap-around bow, TPA, lens bow, and the lingual arch or tongue bar. You can bring your own cases or models, and we will prioritize your time for hands-on design and bending. We will also introduce the Ortho Cloud Design Service. For small and middle-sized orthodontic lab, you don't need to hire an expensive full-time digital designer. Just upload your models and instructions. Our cloud team will complete the design for you. The next day, you can simply download the file and start bending right away. And every design goes through level quality control. So by the end of the training, you will understand the machine logic, know how to set parameters for different wires, and bend the real products with confidence. This is a practical training focused on production, consistency, and efficiency. If you want to join, please email me or contact Kate today. You can also register on ORD website. See you in Inman Ortho Lab.